is growing potatoes hard or is it easy work? I think it's easy for the most part.
It can be yes and no for both.
Yeah.
If you've never grown potatoes before, we talked about this a couple of weeks ago, but we'll kind of give you a synopsis? Is that what it is? The quick version. You want to get a seed potato from a certified seed potato grower. However, you can take the potatoes that are sprouting in your kitchen and throw them in the ground. Sprout up. You want to do this at the appropriate time for your particular area, at root zone 4 to 6 inches deep, soil temperature no colder than 50 degrees consistent, and then you don't have to mound them up. You just dig a trench and bury them, and that's what we do. You don't want them to go any smaller than a large-sized chicken egg. Now, with that, if you have a handful of these tiny little potatoes that have the sprouts coming out of them, I just throw them all on the ground, and whatever comes up, comes up. If not, they compost. What you want to avoid from doing, and then you let them grow and you figure out at the time of planting, are they 70 to 80 days, 90 to 100 days, 110 to plus days to 130 days. Your fingerling potatoes are typically your longer season potatoes. If you've got potatoes, whether you've bought them from a seed supplier or they're sprouting in your kitchen, do not break the growth tip off. That growth tip, just go ahead and bury it deeper. That growth tip, when broken off, resets that potato, and now that potato has to utilize more energy in order to put a new sprout on, which can, in some instances, cause the potato to set, die, rot, and you don't get anything. So if you've got a long sprouted potato, just go ahead and bury that sprout, bury it deep, and you will do fine. And then when the plants begin to die down after 10 weeks minimum, you can begin to dig them up. Not all potatoes will flower, and some potatoes will put little seed pods on that looks like tiny potatoes or tiny tomatoes, which are poisonous, that has true potato seeds in them. So do not consume them, but some people will actually start them from the seed for fun.